Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GLBS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis previously, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's pullback movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line right there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible going forward. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So 13.5 cents is going to be that near-term level of resistance. That's actually already played out. So with the gap down this morning, you would expect that area to act as resistance. And you can see on several occasions earlier on in the day, the price, just whenever it got up around 13.5 cents, essentially, it was like the momentum just disappeared and, the price can never, sustain itself. So going forward, if there is any sort of attempted turnaround, then yeah, 13.5 cents is going to be that first key level that'll need to be broken. As far as levels of support are concerned, you have the purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average. That's doing a good job of holding that support. But the level that I would definitely consider a very, very important level is down here at the 12-cent mark. Why is 12 cents so important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down here to 12 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price at that point? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart where it just was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas if the price can at least, bounce around here and then work its way back upwards, at that point, you'd still have a set of lows there. You'd have those lows. You envision that as stair steps, and you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So moral of the story there, 12 cents, a pretty important level of support to watch going forward. So let's see how this one continues to play out on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.